Are you an avid fan of ice cubes? You'll want a Coke like this anywhere. So you're saying goodbye to your old refrigerator because it doesn't make ice all the time. That's precisely what you're looking for. It offers powerful cooling with multiple modes. Ice is produced in 5.5 minutes at 25 degrees C, yielding 9 pieces. You've got an endless supply of cold Coke and alcoholic beverages. You can choose as many as you need. The following are also of interest to you. It has 2 charging options. You can take him anywhere. Now you're ready to go. Come on, guys.